Hey guys, welcome to the Daily Social. This podcast is to help you grow your podcasting channel, your YouTube channel, or any other channel that you may have. And we give you tips and tricks on what to do and how to grow them and how to gain subscribers for your specific niche or talent. Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast. We are in 2019, guys. Really do appreciate all you guys' support. Love that you guys are loving the podcast. Great feedback, and really do appreciate all your love, all your support, all the feedback. Be sure to check out all of our social media platforms, and we are on LiveMe. It's a new app that came out recently. It's a broadcasting app. If you guys haven't heard of it, go check it out in the Google Play Store, the App Store, wherever you guys get your apps. But it's 2019, guys. We just want you guys to have that mindset that you guys can go further, go faster, do what you guys love, and just enjoy the process of doing it. Like, don't worry about the distractions or anything like that. We just love that you guys are putting in that work, putting in that determination, putting in that grind and that hustle, guys. We just love it. We're gonna be doing some more podcasting in the future. We have an upcoming episode with a very special guest. We just have to finish out working out the details for it and get the podcast rolling with that guest and make sure that everything's worked out, that we can have a suitable time, place, and proper equipment to do it, and we will get that podcast to you guys as soon as we can. But in the meantime, what are you guys' plans for 2019? What are you guys doing? What are you guys' mindset about 2019? Like, what are your goals, your dreams, your passions, your mindset in general? We just love that you guys are out there doing what you guys have to do, and we will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social. Make sure to subscribe to the Daily Social on Apple Podcasts or wherever our podcast is available. Thanks, guys.